So this is the Pratik Grand City sample flat, which is of 1795 square feet. This is 3 BHK plus study, and this build-up area is of 1428 square feet. And in this you get a carpet area of 1272, which is 1272 square feet. So entrance is of 10 feet. Right now we are entering into the drawing room area. So initially this is the drawing room area. You can see the drawing room size is of 11:15. This is the wall ceiling area. So in every flat you will be getting the wall ceilings. So coming to towards the balcony area. So initially this is the balcony on with the sliding doors. You can see there's a huge space for sitting. In this balcony size is of 4:11. Now if we will walk towards the dining area. So this is the dining area. You can see dining area size is of 15 by 10 with the wall ceiling. So, and this is the television area. You can see the television. So this is the puja room which we have put in with the your drawing room. This is the puja room with a height of 8 feet. The area of puja room is of 4 by 6 by 4. Now entering towards the kitchen area. So initially this is the kitchen with a height of 8 feet. The kitchen area is of 9 by 10 with a fully furnished modular kitchen. So you can see the quality of a construction of Pratik Grand. We are giving the RO system which is complimentary. You can see the quality of a construction. And this is the balcony, and the balcony size is of 4 by 11. You can see the balcony. This is a utility balcony which we can see, which we can utilize for putting the washing machine. And with a beautiful view. Now I will show you the quality of a work of the kitchen. So you can initially see the quality, so easy and convenient. Now I am taking you towards the study room. So this is the study room. Size of the study room is 9 by 6.7 with a height of 6 feet. The room size ceiling height is 8 feet. You can see it's a huge space. And we are also having a toilet attached with it by 5 by 3. Now taking you back This is the bedroom area. This bedroom is of 10 is by 13 with a wardrobe attached to it and also a balcony which is attached to it. The size of the balcony is of 4 by 11. And this is the area where you can utilize it for putting the chairs, consoles. This is the washroom area. The size of the washroom this is the washroom area. The washroom size is 4 by 6 by 9. So this is the other bedroom. So this is the bedroom area. This is the cupboard area. The side of the bedroom is by 10 by 13. So this is the view with the sliding doors. Now walking towards the master bedroom. This is the washroom which comes along with the dining area. You can see the WC, wash basins, mirror work, everything, exhaust fan, everything you will be getting complimentary with the flat. So this is the master bedroom which is of 15 by 11 with a wooden flooring and the texture on the back. This is the wardrobe area which you can talk of the dressing area also. You can see this over here, you can put up the mirror. So this is the washroom attached with the master bedroom which is of 8 by 5. Now this is the balcony attached with the master bedroom. The balcony is of 4 by 11. Stepping out. So initially you can see the quality of a construction, the work which these guys have used for fitting and fixture is of Philips. So you gotta get a very good build quality of the flat completely. You can have an overview of the flat standing out over here. It's a huge flat. Because the loading, if you will talk about the loading area of any of the sizes of Pratik Grand City, is very low. Thank you.